Nanga Parbat, G1, G2, and what is left to complete the second phase is Broadway.
Snapping